Hello everyone, I am charging the car up to 100% now. I am going to have a journey which is around 470 kilometers from Istanbul to Ankara, the capital city of Turkey. My tires are new because the tires that comes with the car are really slippy, and I went to MG dealer, asked them to change them because they are really dangerous on Turkish roads, especially when it rains. The car just doesn't drive straight on the road when it rains. I have been driving the car like 6,000 kilometers, 6,400 kilometers. The tires started to lose its pieces. And as I mentioned, they are really slippy. So they have changed the tires today. Bridgestone is going to examine them, and if they found the tires faulty, I am going to keep these tires for free. If not, they are going to ask me to pay for them, and then of course I am going to take this issue to the court, because in 6,000 kilometers there is no way a tire start losing its pieces, 4 of them, all of them, and the car just doesn't drive straight when it's raining, even after 5 minutes rain. And it's not only me. In Turkey, every MG owner having the same issue, and they are complaining about it, and now they are waiting for my issue to finish. If Bridgestone doesn't accept that, we are all going to take this issue to the court. The previous tire was Bridgestone Turanza T005, which were made in China, but these are made in Turkey, and Bridgestone Turanza T006 version made in Turkey. And the tire dealer told me that these tires have been getting all the awards from European authorities, so we'll see. So I'm going to inform you at the next charging stop. Good morning everyone. The first part of the journey has finished. From Istanbul to Ankara, now I am charging the car, and from Istanbul to Ankara I made 461 kilometers. Average consumption 20.8 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. For the tires, they perform better than the previous one, but it has more grip, and because of that more grip, I feel like the consumption is a little bit higher, but you know, safety comes first, so it doesn't matter. Still, I have a good consumption. Do not pay attention to this average speed, because you know it always counting down. It should be at least 110 kilometers. I didn't drive slow. The slowest speed I drove is like 110 kilometers, and again I have driven the car up to 170 kilometers, because in Turkey, especially at night time, our autobahns are really empty. And I have just stopped for one charge up to 90%. When I came to my home here, I still had 30% of state of charge. So I am charging the car now. Tomorrow I am going to turn back to Istanbul.
As you are checking the whole journey data, I would like to mention about tires performance. While I was turning to Istanbul, I have driven the car on Autobahn again and tested the car with 140 kilometers hour of speed. It was raining and tires did not lose grip at once. I don't know why previous tires were uncomfortable. It may be because of previous tires were just losing their pieces and they were faulty products. But with new tires, the grip was 100 times better and more comfortable. So, Turanza T005 FC tires are one of the best choices for MG4 cars in my opinion, especially for Turkish roads. The first country the MG4 is being sold is UK, and I never heard any complaint about this issue from UK, although in Turkey 90% of the Turkish MG4 owners are having this losing grip issue. If the car has a Chinese-made tires, the car loses grip, especially on rainy weathers. This can cause big accidents or big dangers like I had with my family. So I really would like to know if any MG4 owners from other countries ever had a problem like me. As always, thank you for watching and have a nice day.